For my video teaching moment, I was given the student work sample 37 multiplied by 4 equals 208. I can see from table 12.2, misconception number 3, that this student is making a mistake when regrouping the number in a multiplication problem. I'm going to explain where I see that in the student work sample. As we can see, it appears the student regrouped the 2 above the tens column by adding it before they multiplied. So, instead of multiplying 4 times 7 and then 4 times 30, the student is multiplying 4 times 7, adding the 3 to the 2 in the tens column, and then multiplying 4 times 50 for an answer of 208. So what I'm going to do is give these numbers context. So for our problem, we're going to imagine there was a parade. At the parade, there are 37 clowns. Each clown carried 4 balloons. We want to find how many balloons there were all together. So here there's 37 clowns, so 37 sets of 4 balloons, since each clown is carrying 4 balloons. So for this problem, we're going to be using an area model. So that's what this is. And since we have 2 digits, so since there are 37 clowns, and that's a 2-digit number, we need 2 boxes. So, first off, we are going to be using a tens block, and a ones block. So, when we go to our tens block, 3 is in the tens place value. So, we are going to be bringing the 3 down. So, when we have 3 tens, the value is 30. And then we're going to move on to our ones. When we have 7 ones, and we are going to be putting a plus sign because we are going to be adding these together at the end. So we can still see that this equals 37 because 30 plus 7 is 37. So we have our tens block, which is 30, and we have the ones block, which is 7. So next off, we're going to have the 4. So since the 4, the 4 balloons, we're multiplying all of the 37 clowns by 4. Because there's 37 clowns, and each clown is holding 4 balloons. So what we will be doing is multiplying. So what we're going to be doing is multiplying 30 times 4. Which will give us, so we have 4 times 0, 0. 3 times 4 is 120. So we're going to leave 120 in the tens block. We're going to leave that there. And we're going to go over to the ones block. So we're going to do 4 times 7. So when we go to our basic math facts, we know that 4 times 7 is 28. So here we brought down the 120 and we brought down the 28. And we're going to add the tens with the ones. So we're going to do 120 plus 28. So here we have 0 plus 8, and the ones is 8. 2 plus 2 in the tens is 4. And in the hundreds, we only have 1, so we're going to bring that down to equal 148. So our answer is 148.